You're watching Coronavirus Preparation versus Panic.
Welcome back to Coronavirus Preparation versus Panic. 4 employees of the Salt Lake City Police Department were in quarantine this past week. According to Detective Greg Wilking, 2 of them were officers that worked with the Utah Jazz and may have been exposed to it with contact with the team. Now, firefighters and paramedics are taking extra precautions to protect themselves and the public from the spread of COVID-19 as well. ABC4's Jason Wynn spoke with emergency responders about how they're stopping the spread.
Don't be shocked if first responders show up to your door looking like this while dealing with respiratory calls.
This isn't necessarily an indication that we're diagnosing you with anything. This is because we're going to serve a lot of members of the public in the same day.
Unified Fire Authority and Salt Lake City Fire Department unveiled the new protocols dealing with respiratory issues like COVID-19 on Thursday.
Most of these are spread by respiratory particulates.
To make sure first responders don't become carriers of COVID-19, dispatchers will ask 4 main questions when dealing with respiratory calls.
Do you have shortness of breath? Do you have a fever? And do you have a persistent cough? And how long has this all been going on?
If a patient answers yes to any of those questions, a dispatcher will ask about exposure to COVID-19.
So if they're hearing that they have a fever, coughing, and those types of, the same things that the government's been presenting us with symptom-wise, those will be identified just to alert our crews to be attentive that this may be a potential case.
A paramedic with this gear on will establish initial care and stay with the patient until the hospital.
We carefully remove those precaution layers, and then we dispose of that stuff appropriately. Then we decontaminate ourselves.
Ambulances used to transport infectious patients will be thoroughly cleaned after each call. Department administrators will follow up with hospitals to find out if the patient contracted COVID-19 or another disease. That will decide the time spent in quarantine.
ABC4's Jason Wynn reporting for us tonight. Both departments canceled upcoming public events, by the way, like civic tours, Adopt a School, and CERT programs out of caution. As an added measure, Salt Lake City Fire will not allow the public inside their stations. Today, the Salt Lake County Health Department declaring a public health emergency in the county as of 11 o'clock tonight. All Salt Lake County restaurants will be takeout or delivery only. Dining in has been banned. For businesses not in the food industry, the County Health Department is recommending social distancing between customers. With this in mind, if you want to have food delivered, Uber Eats is waiving delivery fees for more than 100,000 independently owned restaurants all across the U.S. and Canada. Advocates in Salt Lake County are also doing what they can to keep the virus from spreading through Utah's homeless population.
We're doing a lot of stuff about preventative work, sanitizing, social distancing as much as we possibly can in our facilities.
Andrew Johnson is the Vice President of Program Operations for Volunteers of America Utah. The group manages a number of local programs to help the homeless. They include a youth resource center and the Women's Resource Center in Salt Lake City. The medical director of Salt Lake County's health department says the county is taking extra measures as well.
As you know, county now is in a unified command, and we actually have a specialized unit that is looking into homeless population issues because I think that's huge.
The quarantine spaces are available at Salt Lake County's homeless resource centers. That does it for us tonight on this special edition of ABC4 News, Coronavirus Preparation versus Panic. As we learn more about this pandemic and new measures to prevent the spread, you can count on us to bring them to you. So make sure to stay with us here on air and online at abc4.com. Thanks so much for joining us for this special edition. We'll see you back here tonight at 10 o'clock. And again, we are keeping up to date on all the very latest with this coronavirus pandemic. abc4.com is where you can catch that as well. We'll see you back here tonight.